Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I am showing you a cute and easy shoe for baby girl. So let's start my work. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I am using 3 mm needle and purple yarn. So let's start. Chain 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now in the fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is my fourth chain, so I will do my first double crochet in it, then double crochet in 8 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, now I here to my last chain I will do 6 double crochet into the last chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now double crochet into the 8 chain, now into my last stitch I will make 5 double crochet into the stitch, 3, 4 and 5. Now 1, 2, 3 and make a slip stitch. Now make chain 1, 2 and in the same make double crochet, again make double crochet. Now chain 8 double crochet into 8 stitches, 1, 2, now make 2 double crochet into 6 stitches, 1, in the second make 2 double crochet, in all 6 stitches make 2 double crochet, so we will have 12 double crochet here. Now make 8 double crochet in remaining stitches, now make 2 double crochet into 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This one is 5. Make a slip stitch, 1, 2, this one is my third stitch. Now make 1, 2, 3 and make a back post double crochet in all stitches till to the end of, like this, do it till to this end, back post. Now I did my all back post double crochet. Now chain 1 and make 9 single crochet, 1, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now make decrease double crochet together, 2 together. So insert in the first, pull a loop, then again turn, and in the next again pull the loop. When you have 3, pull it in all of it. So make 6 decreases. This is my second one. Now I did my 6 decreases. Now I will single crochet in 18 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 18 stitches. Now make a slip stitch. Again chain 1 and make 9 single crochet. Now make 2 together double crochet for 3 times. Again 1 in the next, and this one is my third and last decrease. Now chain is a single crochet into next stitches till to the end. It will be look like this. Now I complete my all decrease stitches. Now I will make a strap. So this is the middle of my shoe, front side. So I will count 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Insert hook here and make single crochet till to the other side. Chain 1 in the same, single crochet. Now again single crochet, and count from this side to this is the middle, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this is the end of my this round. Now I reach to my last point. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now count 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now make half double crochet into the second stitch and make it till to the end of this line. Now I finished my strap. Now make double crochet into the all stitches till to the end of this line till here. Now my little shoes is completed. See how beautiful it is. Put a button over here, and if you want to make it more beautiful, put a flower or a bow, anything you want to put it here. Okay, now I hope you will like my video, and see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and take care of yourself.